अरे आओ
सर।
Sambalpur Police on Wednesday recovered polythene sacks containing rupees 32 lakh cash buried beneath the ground in Deogarh. The accused had reportedly stolen around rupees 39 lakh and some important documents from the Hotel Sheila Tower in VSS Marg of Sambalpur last week. The police apprehended 4 persons including the prime accused Rakesh aka Dileswar Behra from Balibandha, Kunjelpada in Sambalpur. Rakesh is said to be an ex-employee of the targeted hotel. Accused Rakesh chalked out the burglary with the help of Manas Pradhan, the assistant cook, Jogeshwar Behra, a waiter, Govinda Malik, the receptionist of the same hotel. Sambalpur SP B. Gangadhar informed that 4 employees of the hotel were involved in the loot case, and all 4 of them were arrested following the investigation on the basis of CCTV footage. After carrying out the loot, the money was stashed in a polythene bag and buried underground near the house of one of the looters. Bureau Report, OTV News.